Morning, Pete here, out on Tesco's. This is one of the more quirkier deliveries. There's the van there. We have to cross this railway line. We're going to a nursing home up there. So what we have to do is pick up the phone. Hiya, it's Tesco's. I'm going up to Coombe House. Can I cross the railway line, please? Small van. Oh, 30 seconds, if that. Yes, I'll close them once I've gone across. Yes, I will. Thank you. Bye-bye. There you go. I've got to open the gates and basically that's what I have to do. This is the railway line that goes from Liskeard to Looe. So, nice little, if you're ever on up this way on holiday, and you want something to do, the Liskeard to Looe train is a nice little journey to do. There it goes. Just goes through a valley and it's really nice. But yeah, that Looe's that way, and Liskeard station's just up there. Anyway, it's just one of my more unusual deliveries. So, little river down, nice little river down there. Look. And then we have to get out, shut the gates. So it's a bit of a pain, but there you go. Do it properly. The Looe Valley line makes the delivery a bit more interesting. Anyway, I'll speak to you soon. Pete out. Bye for now. So Pete here, I'm just back at the railway line and there's a train there now, so just got to wait for that train to move along and I can get across. So I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.